Welcome to Generative AI for Beginners, your fast track into the world of creative, intelligent machines. We'll start by exploring what generative AI actually is, how it evolved from basic predictive tools to models that can now write, design, and compose. You'll get familiar with popular tools like ChatGPT, Bard, and DALL-E, and see how they generate everything from blog posts and code to images, music, and video. Next, we'll explain how these models work at a high level, including transformers, GANs, VAEs, and diffusion models that drive today's AI creativity. We'll dive into real-world use cases across industries like content marketing, game design, finance, and even drug discovery. You'll also learn why responsible AI matters, covering ethics, bias, privacy, and frameworks for safe deployment. Then it's time to get hands-on, using no-code tools like Notion AI and Canva Magic, low-code platforms like Zapier, and powerful APIs from OpenAI and Hugging Face. We'll teach you prompt engineering fundamentals, how to craft great prompts, control outputs, and structure reasoning with techniques like few-shot, chain of thought, and more. You'll build your first generative AI app with a simple Python prototype in Colab or Replit, learning how to plan for token usage and costs. We'll go deeper into LLMs, what makes them large, and introduce concepts like retrieval augmented generation, fine-tuning with LoRa, and even autonomous AI agents. Finally, we'll cover advanced prompting techniques like tree of thought and chain of emotion, explore LangChain and the RAG ecosystem, dive into how Stable Diffusion powers image models, and finish with limitations, hallucination risks, and where the future is headed, multimodal models, video-first AI, and beyond. By the end, you'll be ready to create, explore, and innovate with generative AI confidently. You've now explored the fascinating world of generative AI,